Hi, welcome to the future of AI. So, everyone wants to earn money and become rich, but many people don't know where to start. Some individuals don't have the time for hours of manual video editing. Therefore, in this video, I'll introduce a new niche that can help you in this regard. While people have been working in this niche, it often requires extensive research and manual editing, but I'll show you how to simplify the process using just one AI tool. The niche I'm talking about is movies and film, which happens to be one of the most searched categories on YouTube and also one of the highest paid niches. People love watching movies and actively search for related content. As an example, take a look at this channel with 137K subscribers. They primarily upload movie recommendations and are earning thousands of dollars per month. We can create something similar, but with the use of a single AI tool. So, let's get started. Firstly, create a new YouTube channel centered around movies. I won't go into the details of how to create a new channel since most people are already familiar with this process. So now, let's move on to the main parts of the video.
So in the first step, search for movies related videos on YouTube. For example, here I search for top 10 movies on Netflix in 2024. Then simply copy the link of the YouTube video you selected. Then simply go to this website called DupDub and create an account over here. You will find the link of this website in the description. So once signed up, you will see this beautiful interface with lots of features. So I am going to create my entire video using this one website. So first of all, you will see this option of AI transcription. Click on it. Then click on new file. Using this tool, you can convert your files into text and generate subtitles. So you can upload your audios or video files over here, or you can paste the link. So here I will paste the link of the YouTube video I copied. Then select the language and click on transcribe. Now I have got the whole script of the video over here, and it was that simple. Now simply copy the script. Now go back to the dashboard and click on AI voiceover. Click on new file. Now simply paste the copied script over here. We will not use the same script, we will change the script using their AI tool. So simply select your entire script from here. Then click on this option, Ask AI to Write. Now using this tool, you can simply change your scripts according to your requirements. So here I will ask it to make the script shorter. So it has made my script shorter, but I want to make some more changes. So I will give it a command and ask it to make the script more shorter for my 60 seconds video. Focus more on the names of top 7 movies and then just give one line intro of those movies. So you can describe what changes you want to make in the script and it will do the work for you. So here you can see it has made my script shorter, and this script is perfect for the kind of video I want. Now if you are satisfied with the script, simply click on replace selection and it will replace the original script. So it's done. Now I will manually make some changes in the script so that it can look perfect. So I will remove these lines like 60 seconds video script, background music fades in, etc. You can also add your channel name or whatever you want in the script. So edit your script perfectly so that your video can sound good. Now in the next step, we are going to create an AI voiceover for our video. So if you see above, you will see an option of more voiceovers. Click on it and you will find a lot of voiceover artists over here. Now from here, you can filter the results. You can select the quality of the voiceover artist you want, language and accents. Then you can also select the scenario according to whatever kind of video you are making. For example, talk show, documentary, entertainment video, podcast, etc. Then you can select the style of the voiceover artist. For example, you can select friendly style, sad, excited, cheerful, etc. Then you can select the gender. Here I will select male gender. Then you can select the age of the voice artist as well. Then you will find the voiceover artist below according to your selected categories. You can select one and then you can also play and check them out.
Welcome to the world of cinema, where stories come to life on the silver screen. Today, we bring you...
Welcome to the world of cinema, where stories come to life on the silver screen. Today,
you can also change the style of the voices.
Welcome to the world of cinema, where stories come to life on the silver screen. Today, we bring you the Welcome to the world of cinema, where stories come to life on the silver screen. Today,
Then you can also change the speed and pitch of the voice. Once done, click on confirm. Now you can also use some additional features as well. For example, you can add sound effects in between the script. You can add background music. Also, you can add pauses in between the sentences, etc. You can also add multiple voiceover artists in the script. So just do the settings according to your choices and preferences. And then you can also play the voice and check it out. Once everything done, click on export. So our voiceover is ready. Now go back to the dashboard and click on AI avatar. Now from here we are going to create our talking avatar. Simply click on create your avatar. Now here you can select their pre-made templates as well. You will see a huge library of pre-made avatars. You can select them as well. Or you can also upload your own photos and it will convert it into a talking avatar. Or you can also create avatars using prompts. So I will type a prompt over here and generate my avatar. So my avatars are ready and you can see they look absolutely stunning. So I will choose this one for my video. Then I will upload the audio that I created from DupDub. You can also record your own voices. So add your audio file, save it and then simply click on generate talking avatar. It will take a few minutes to generate the video. So once done, click on the three dots and simply download the video. Now in the last step, we will use DupDub's video editor tool to edit our video. So click on video editing, click on new video. Now an editor tool will appear in front of you where you can edit your whole video. So first of all, I will add my talking avatar video over here. Now drag the video onto the timeline below and start editing your video. You can also generate AI avatars from here. You can convert your text into audio from here. You can add text to your videos, transitions in between your videos, effects, mask and toning. So there are a variety of editing options that you can use from here to edit your videos professionally. Now I will go back to my script and copy the movie name from here. Now I will paste the movie name in Google and I will search for the relevant images. Then I will download the one I like. Now search for all the movie names and download the relevant images so that we can use them in the video. Now upload all the images into the editor and place them one by one in the timeline. So in this way I will edit my video. I will add text, transitions, images in my video to make it look professional. Once you edit your whole video properly, you can simply export it. So let me fast forward this process and show you the final result of the video I created using DupDub.
welcome to the world of cinema, where stories come to life on the silver screen. Today, we bring you the top 5 suspense movies to watch in 2024. 1. The Shawshank Redemption. It's a tale of hope and friendship in the confines of a prison. 2. The Godfather. A powerful mafia family's struggle for control and the consequences it brings. 3. The Dark Knight. Witness the battle between Batman and his arch-nemesis, the Joker, in this thrilling superhero masterpiece. 4. Pulp Fiction. A non-linear narrative that intertwines the lives of various intriguing characters. 5. Schindler's List. Experience the incredible true story of Oskar Schindler, who saved the lives of thousands during World War II. These movies have left an indelible mark on the cinematic landscape, captivating audiences with their unforgettable stories. Which one will you choose for your next movie night?
So this was the final result of the video and I absolutely loved it. It was just an example video that I created to show you guys. You can create even more beautiful videos using DupDub's extensive tools. If you check their website, they offer a variety of more features that you can use to enhance your videos. So go to the link in the description box and check it out. Do let me know once you create your first video. I would love to check it out.
That's all. Please do like and subscribe to support me so I can make more future AI videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.